Okay, this is looking at the sclera. It's continuous with the cornea, but the cornea is clear, and it's a lens that actually focuses some of the light. Behind the cornea is a segment that has fluid in it. This is all anterior segment that is anterior from the lens, which would have been set in here. We don't have the lens, don't know where the lens is at. Of the anterior segment, you got an anterior chamber and a posterior chamber in front and behind the iris. The iris is the muscle part of the eye that has the color brown, green, or blue eyes. The lens itself is shaped by ciliary body. It's a muscle that surrounds it. It's connected to it with these suspensory ligaments. When it tightens up, it'll focus the light for closer vision. We see here the retina showing. An important part of the retina, two important parts. First is the fovea centralis, where you have the most color vision, and that's where you do all your reading. Around that's the area that appears yellowish. That's called the macula lutea. Off to the medial side of that, you have the place where the optic nerve leaves, called the optic disc. That's a blind spot. Your brain erases that blind spot. Remember, we tested for that. Optic disc is where the blind spot is, and the optic nerve leaves. Here we see a line called the ora serrata. That is simply the place where you can't get any light. It's always in shade. There's no retina there. So that's functionally the edge of the retina. And anterior to that, it's always in shade, always dark. You can't see there anyway. Have I missed any terms? I think not. We can stop.